Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Minikit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci, and myself. Kathy is our host for the month of April. She has selected this beautiful, bright, gorgeous mood board from Pinterest. She's also come up with a challenge, and the challenge is each week scrapbook a different Minikit Monday layout. You can find our layouts on YouTube, and you can find some layouts that we've created over at Instagram. I know Kathy and Shannon are really good about posting most of their layouts over at Instagram. I have not posted over in Instagram for a couple of years. You can find some older layouts over there, but your best bet is to go to our YouTube channels and check out some of the layouts that we've created. Go through, find one that you want to scrap lift, and guess what? You have a video to follow. And how do you play along if you're new to our group? There is a link to our Facebook group site listed below. You snap a photograph of your kit, you upload it to the album, and then each week you upload a layout that you have created. Let's get back to me revealing my April kit. I created page kits within my kit. So let's start with the first page kit. Right here, I've already printed the layout that I am scrap lifting, but you don't get to see it yet. I'm not going to show them ahead of time. All right. So in this kit, I am 75-80% using all Becky Booten Wild and Honey collection. I have two 12x12 papers. I have two 7x8 papers. I have this word icon, I guess you call these enamel finish. They have some squishiness to them, but they're not really puffy stickers. So that's in my kit. I have two photographs. I will go over the story of the photographs when I reveal my layout. Then my embellishments also come from the wildflower and honey. Now, for my finishing touches like sprays, enamel dots, brads, Nouveau drops, I reserve the right to add those towards the end. My Nouveau drops paints, watercolors, stamps, my miscellaneous embellishments by color are all right here accessible to me. So I do not have to leave my desk to add items to the kit. And I just didn't want this to get too bulky because I created 5 page kits. This is a large kit. So that's 1. This is 2, and they're not in any order at all. I'm just saying this is 2. This one here, I only have one 12x12 paper. It's Kate and Ash, and it's from Simple Stories. I brought in this 6x6 from my paper stash, and these that are 4.5 by 6.5. Here are my embellishments, very light, so I know I will be adding to them, but I didn't want to get stuck. I've said this before, I give myself about 5-10 minutes, figure out what embellishments to grab. If I get stuck, I just move on. And I've got my photo, and that is sketch number, or I'm sorry, page kit number 2. So we'll slip that back in my little holder. And for 3, here we come up with this one. Oops, I don't want to show who I am scrap lifting for this kit. All right, so we have a green scrap with cross or plus signs on it from Close to My Heart, and it is the Mix-In January, February. It's a scrap. Here's a scrap, and I think this is a Dear Lizzie or Amy Tan. I don't remember. Some more scraps. I have a die cut. I have a scrap of purple paper here, and this is a Vicky Bouton. This is a Paige Evans or Paige Evans. I'm sorry, Paige Evans, and it is a 6x8. Another scrap here, and this is a Maggie Holmes. And then I have a wood grain background #1 paper from Ella and Viva. So as you can tell on this kit, I have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different collection lines. And then I have this die cut. So that is that. And then I have a few miscellaneous pieces here and a title that I think I want to use. This is of my little guy, a couple years old. It's going on 3 years old actually. And I somewhat selected a title, very loose on or low, not very many, not blah, 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 blah. Spit it out, Dolly. Okay. Here are the embellishments, and I kind of selected a title that was speaking to me when I was putting the kit together. That doesn't always happen. I have some enamel dots here, and then I have some metal gears. What is probably missing in this little kit here that I couldn't think of when I was putting the kit together is some wood veneer. But now that I'm looking at it, I will most likely be adding wood veneer to this page kit. Or I will be grabbing it when I start creating. Because I always like wood veneer with my masculine layouts. I like them on other layouts too. All right, page kit number 4. Again, these aren't numbered. As you can tell, I don't have 4 or anything, but you're not seeing the layout that I'm scrap lifting. All right, so this one I went ahead and picked out alphas. I think you can get this like corrugated alpha at Michael's. And then I have the succulent flowers or leaves from Jen Hatfield collection. I have a 6x6 scrap. This scrap here is Heidi Swap. We have boy Dolly, spit it out. Here we have a 12x12 Amy Tangerine late afternoon. We have another 12x12 here, and I think this is a Close to My Heart. It is from the Brushed collection. I have a 12x12 Daisy White cardstock. And this looks like a Jen Hadfield. Yes, Jen Hadfield, My Bright Life. Selected it for that side. Okay. For my embellishments and photo, here we've got a lot going on here. Okay. I have 2 photographs here. I have Pink Fresh, Keeping It Real Puffy elements. I can't use all these colors, but I could use the yellows and greens in here. So that's why I selected that. And then these are just miscellaneous from those little containers. And I was just choosing by color. Not sure if any of it's going to work. I'm sure most of it will work. So we've got dies, puffies in there, and I'm going to slip that back. I know I'm going fast. I just don't want this video to be too long since at the end I'm going to show you a layout that I've created, scrap lifting one of the Minikit Monday ladies. And like I said, each week will be a different Minikit Monday lady, and there are 5 of them. So I have to post a layout for week 1 instead of just it strictly being the kit reveal, and then another week I'm going to have to double up on as well. All right, there's my sketch. Here's my paper here. Let's see. This paper, well, this scrap here, I think this is Amy Tan. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. This is an older crate paper. I think it's from it was called the Journey Collection. And I think Shamel did the design. I don't remember what manufacturer. Then this is Photoplay. Love this collection. It was called Stuck on You. I loved that collection. And this 12 by 12 is from Shamel Box of Crayons. Selected it for this side. Second 12 by 12, Photoplay, but this one is called Wild Love. Love it, love it. These are gonna all go together well. Embellishments. This one I've got some washi tape I selected. Pre-selected. See, and I can even add sequins and everything. They're all right here by my desk. I'm going to document this bear from the zoo. I've got some puffy stars. I got some bear paws. Some actual bears standing there. A plus sign. An old 3x4 zoo card. Life card. The word sweet. Binoculars. And this diamond puffy element. And I'm going to put all that in here. I've got a sticker, yellow. Got some die cuts here, star and a heart. And washi tape, I have a yellow, mint, a blue with mint leaves, and the word hello. And then I have these puffy elements that I've almost got used up from Pink's Fresh Studio, and it was Out and About collection. So a lot of these colors are in here, so I should be able to use a lot of those. And then I added these stickers that are from One Canoe 2 collection, mainly for using some of the words, maybe some of the hearts. So that's in there. And well, where's my sleeve? All right, that was kit number 5. And my washi tape. So see how bulky it can get when I have these stacked together. And like I said, because I work off a small desk, I really don't like it any bulkier than that. But those are my 5 kits. All right, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to select one of these kits to create a layout, and then I will walk you through my process, not show you my process this time around. All right, you stay tuned. All right, this is my first layout for the month of April. I am scrap lifting Traci. She created this layout December 30th, 2017. And she is using 5 different pattern papers, and I know it's not a real good copy because of my printer. I think I'm running out of ink, but she's using tones of blues and greens and lots of gold elements, some puffy sticker. She's got a number 2, she's got stars, she's used sequins, and she used splatters. All right, here is my layout and 2 photographs, and it looks like they're probably 4x4, or yeah, they look like they're 4x4. They could possibly be 3x3s. I have a like 4.5x4 and then a 4x3 to make it fit across. I have my circle here. I have my title up here, just like she used glitter title. And then I added puffy embellishments right there. I didn't add sequins here like she has right there. I used splatters. I put a little cluster right here. She had just a star, so I used this card here, this puffy sticker, and this succulent, where she has a cluster over here for her strip journaling she did. I do not have any journaling down. And then she put this puffy bicycle down here, and I did a cluster down here. Then she had some sequins up here on the circle. I put 2 puffy stars and this enamel heart in blue. The only place that I put sequins is right down in here. And she outlined it, but the background of her pattern paper is a lighter color. Mine is very deep, so I did not outline it. I thought about outlining this green paper, but I chose not to. So that's something I didn't do. And then she outlined the entire edge of her white cardstock. I didn't do that. And she double matted, which I did the same thing. She had a pattern paper, she put her white cardstock, and then the rest of her pattern paper. I just love how it turned out. Thank you, Traci, for the inspiration. All right, be sure to check out the other ladies to see what they've created or see their kit. I will have their links to their channel listed below, and that would be Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci are all listed below. And I said Kathy, right? She's listed below as well to go see what they created. And I'm going to move this so you can get a better idea of this layout. And give a thumbs up, share my channel, and most of all, the reason why we do these videos is to encourage you to get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supply, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Oh, and I forgot to tell you about the photograph. All right, this is my husband using this piece of equipment to help my brother-in-law, and this was taken last year, I think in July, either June or July. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.